What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be doing the first thing that I think you should be doing to any BMW. Now then, I have a package right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and here is what is inside. Now some of you guys probably already know what this is, but I'm going to show you anyway. It is some gloss black kidney grills. Now BMWs from factory, I'm pretty sure even the newer models from factory, come with chrome kidney grills. Now chrome on cars just doesn't look nice. At least in my opinion, chrome on cars just doesn't look nice. Gloss black looks so much better. So today I'm going to be installing these. I'm going to be removing the old ones and installing these new ones. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. Now, bear in mind, these was not expensive at all. Pretty sure it was less than £20 from eBay. Now, obviously, they're not genuine BMW ones, but they're only plastic grills, so you don't have to spend a lot of money on them at all. And yeah, this is going to be a very cheap and simple mod, which is just going to totally transform the front end of your BMW. So we're going to head outside, get the old grills off, put the new ones on, and then it's just going to look so much better. So we'll see you outside. Okay then, so we can see this is how the grills look like from factory. Very outdated, the plastic's very faded, and the chrome just doesn't look nice at all. In my opinion, I think they should come with the gloss black grills from factory, because it has the gloss black shadow line pack on the car anyway, so it doesn't really make sense to put chrome grills on it. But like I said, we're going to be whipping them off and putting these ones on. It's just going to look so much better. Now then, I've actually seen people online just grabbing the original grills and just yanking them out, but I don't really feel like breaking the clips on my bumper. I do want to keep them, so yeah, I'm going to be doing it the proper way. I'm going to be taking this front section off here. There's just a few bolts to take out, and then you can actually lever the front bumper away from the car and get a screwdriver down and just pop the clips off fairly easily. So the first thing you need to do is just remove this front piece, which should just lift off, he says. There you go. And you can already see there's some clips along the top, but there is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Torx bolts that you need to take out, and then you can lever the front bumper away from the car then. Okay then, so let's get these 5 bolts out, and they are a T30. I'm going to go ahead and loosen the top clips first. So obviously there's 3 on each kidney grill. It's a case of pushing the middle part down. That's it. Okay then, so along with the 3 clips on top, there's actually some more around the outside. So there's 1 there, 1 on that side, 1 on that side, and then kind of 2 at the bottom. So I'm going to try and get at least the side ones out and then see how loose it is, because obviously the harder ones to get will be the bottom ones. And then we'll see if it feels like coming out. Go. Okay then, so let me explain how I got the kidney grills out. So the bottom 2 clips are pretty much impossible to get to with a screwdriver unless you have the hands of a 5-year-old to get down this gap here. So pretty much what you need to do is obviously tackle the 3 at the top, tackle this one at the side, which isn't too difficult, and then you can use this side to lever it out, and these 3 should obviously pop out because you've got the majority of them out. If you use this side to wiggle it out, then they should all just pop out, and you shouldn't end up ripping your bumper in half. And that's obviously what I've done with both sides. But as you can see, in and around this area is very dirty, so I'm going to give this a clean. It's a perfect opportunity to get in here without removing the bumper, so that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, we're just going to make this look a whole lot nicer before we fit the new grills in. Right, so we're nice and clean then. Let's get the new grills in. Okay then, so the new grills are in. Gotta get everything put back together. So there's the 5 T30 bolts along the top, and that weather stripping piece there sits on top. Let's get all that put back together, and then we'll call it a day. Okay then, so job is done. That is with the bonnet up, and this is with the bonnet down. 10 times better. Looks so much better now, the front end. Okay then, so job is done. As you can see, the front end just looks so much better now. Like I said, it's how these cars should come from factory, especially a M Sport model. You know, it has all of the other gloss black shadow line trim all around the car. Why have a small piece of chrome on the front like that just to ruin it? The front end's near enough complete now. I do want to also paint the grills and the fog light surrounds as well. Them pieces of plastic, I want to paint them gloss black so that they go with the, not only with the kidney grills, but then obviously they go with the rest of the car then, because obviously they are more of a matte black, and that plastic really does fade. So I want to paint everything gloss black just so it goes together, sort of thing. But yeah, this video has pretty much done now, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you've learnt something, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Like I said, I've got so many more videos to come on this car, so if you do enjoy BMW videos, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you around in a future video. Like I said, I hope you have enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in that next video. Peace!